Ugh, gosh, so much stuff. God, look at all this stuff. Welcome to a new segment we're calling Rick Reviews Stuff. So because this is a little off-brand for us, no pun intended, I thought I'd explain real quick what the deal is. So once you hit certain milestones on YouTube, brands start reaching out to connect with you through Brand Connect. What that is a way for brands to get in touch with creators to do little ads and spots and sponsorship deals for their videos. Sometimes they're paid, sometimes you just get a free product in return. Now I've been ignoring these for a while, but then we started to get some that would actually be helpful in our home, in my business, or for future rack jobs. For example, we got an air conditioner from one company that we can give to a family in need or use if ours decides to go out. So when SANYIPACE reached out wanting me to advertise their sewer camera, the S5517, I said sure, because if you guys recall, at the Cherry Street project that goes on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever, I screwed my back up pretty good fighting some stuff in their sewer lines. I thought, wouldn't it be nice if I could show the homeowners just what it is that they're dealing with, so then they're more prepared to actually get the problem taken care of properly instead of having to call a plumber in here to just guess and check what the issue is. So let's unbox this bad boy. I'll tell you right out the gate, these thumb guns retail for around 220 bucks. I currently don't have a discount code for you guys, but I'm gonna try to get one in case you want one. And this could be handy not just for sewers, but say you leave something down the drain, or you're doing some work on your house, you need to see inside the wall, like where an electrical wire may be, something like that. It can be very helpful. Now I'm blindly unboxing this, so you guys are gonna learn about it as I do. Comes with a manual, of course. This is the S5517DC. See, here you go. Not just for your sewer and water pipes, but also for HVAC systems, oil and gas pipelines. Other uses it can be used for. Rescue operations in narrow spaces. Say muffins. The little muffin falls down the well, you can use the camera to check and see if he's down there. It can also be used for scientific research on underwater riverbeds. Any other hard to reach locations and areas. Alright, she's got 1080p resolution. My old camera claimed 1080p resolution, and I don't think it had it, so we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison later of my competitor brand, $100, I think, endoscope camera versus the SANYIPACE. Comes with a charger, of course, which I'll probably need to plug in. Oh, this is fancy. See, my old one, you had to hook up to your phone and use your screen through a local Wi-Fi connection. This one has a little case right on top where you can mount your thing and do your thing. So let's do a thing. Ooh, the camera. I'm gonna select the larger of the two attachments. Comes with two for different diameter pipes. I assume this is to help protect the camera. Tighten that bad boy down with the included tools. Now, it ain't going nowhere! This looks like a mount for the screen. And it's magnetic. It goes out the back, I see. Got a little safety clip on the front here to release your reel. And a nice handy little guide for the camera to go through. See if we can power this bad boy up. Ah, she's loud! Menu. Okay, I've got a recording time set to 5 minutes. Alright, so you screw him down, and you should have a visual on your screen, and we do! I don't know how to tell if it's recording or not. Oh, it's recording, okay. So there's what my hand looks like on the SANYIPACE. Let's see if I can set up the competitor. If I ever remember how it works. God, I think I have to download an app. I'm gonna have to charge this one. Okay, so I've got my old endoscope now connected that is charged a bit. Now, look at this. I'll do the side by side again. But this is the cheaper Amazon competitor compared to the SANYIPACE. I mean, come on, there is no comparison. These are both supposed to be 1080p, and this one clearly is not even up close. It's not great. This is the same distance I was from the SANYIPACE earlier when you could see every wrinkle on my fingers. All right, now that we kind of know how she works, let's get this bad boy out to the offending sewer and see if we can't learn something. We got a full battery, full memory card. Let's roll. Here's where it all went down. If you guys remember it all, I'll try to pull up the footage, but it was in this very spot that I was trying to get sewers opened up at Cherry a few months ago when I screwed my back up really bad. Now, had I had this camera back then, I might have been more prepared and known the fight that I was in for. Now, I've got my suspicions about the cause here, about just what might be causing the blockage in the sewer line that runs directly that way. I have my theories, but let's see if we can confirm my suspicions using the SANYIPACE S5517DC Sewer Camera. So here we go. Oh, that's nice. And looky there. Oh boy. It appears can't see it really because of the water there, but as we approach, if you look very carefully, you can see roots sticking through the drain there in all directions. I think that's the blockage that I cleared. Looks just like the roots I pulled out of here. I don't know how clearly you guys can see that on this screen, but on the SANYIPACE screen, it's pretty obvious. We've got roots coming through the system. So, not really satisfying in this situation, but one of my more favorite phrases to utter, I was right. There are roots protruding in the system in several locations over at Cherry Street. So now the customer can have a visual and approximate depth to inform a licensed plumber to come in and fix that for them if they choose. So while I'm pulling this out, I want to take the opportunity to thank SANYIPACE for sending us their S5517DC Sewer Camera and helping us diagnose the real problem with the Cherry Street sewers. Oh, hi. Interrupting Rick here with an important message, because I forgot to say it all during the video. Sorry about that. The camera, great clarity, great picture, easy to set up, easy to use. With my other one, I had to download an app, I had to connect to the device's Wi-Fi, I could only use my phone, so if I get a phone call in the middle of doing something, it's gonna cause problems, etc., etc. With the SANYIPACE, all I had to do was make sure it was charged, plug it in, hook it up, and it's ready to go. Stores everything on a local SD card I can later take to my computer or use on my phone, so then I can send it to the customer, put it in my files, all that great stuff. End of the day, for 200 bucks, I think this is a great value compared to the competitors on the market, and I think it outperforms anything that I've ever used personally. So very impressed, very happy. Thank you, SANYIPACE, for sponsoring this video. Back to the action. This has been another edition of Rick Reviews Stuff. Don't forget that you're amazing. I'm proud of you. And if no one else has told you today, you are doing a good job. Love you, bye. Ew. Mwah. Ah.
Good job, Daddy.
Thank you, baby.